Thank you so much, Alan. You are also Tom Mutia Esperanza West. This is my casual question for you. Who are those supporting you here tonight? Sino-sino mga kasama mo? Siyempre, no, hindi mawawala ang mga kapamilya, kaibigan at mga kabarangay. We want to hear more cheer for Are you now ready for the question? I have asked the same question to Esperanza East. The audience have already heard the question and I believe you have not because you have been put that earpiece in your ear. Anyway, what was the music played there? Familiar with the title?
Remix.
It's a remix song. Alright, here is your question, please focus. The municipality of Aurora is generally an agricultural community with its major products such as rice, corn, calamansi, and vegetables. As a youth, how will you encourage the young people to venture in farming and agricultural jobs? I'll repeat the question. The municipality of Aurora is generally an agricultural community with its major products such as rice, corn, calamansi, and vegetables. As a youth, how will you encourage the young people to venture in farming and agricultural jobs?
The municipality of Aurora has a rich soil and wide range of land, giving us the opportunity to venture more in our agricultural products. If I'm given the chance to get the crown tonight, I would use this platform to educate our younger generations in the field of farming and agricultural jobs by promoting the importance of farming and natural resources, preservation resources. Because if we start now, our micro efforts will soon reap its macro effects. Thank you.